Welcome to another Knight Rider Trans Am, my first car restoration video. So the last time we were here, it was nice and dry out, and now we are getting into the wetter weather, early spring. It seems like it's been raining for weeks. I'm kind of been looking forward to a lot of rain. I haven't been able to get to the car while it was raining after I did something last year, and I basically sealed up the entire T-top section, to keep the water out of it, to keep the water intrusion from continuing from where it was. So if everyone has had these cars or knows about these cars, they're kind of known for having these leaks in the T-top area, and it's unfortunate, but it is something that happens, especially with a car that's been sitting for a long time, or your T-tops are failing as these cars age. I mean, it's a 42-year-old car at this point, so yeah, it's to be expected that we're going to have issues, but we are looking on this car to do a full roof swap. So what that means is drilling the spot welds at the seams on the B pillar, and then essentially taking the entire A pillar from car that's already been cut up. And here's some surface rust we're also going to be dealing with. So I mean, basically we're going to restore the roof of the car and then check on the floor pans, which the last time I looked at the floor pans, they were still really good shape. Remember, this car came from Georgia, so I'm lucky for them to have already been in good condition. So kind of have a good base to start with, and just need to get this roof taken care of so we can move on to the rest of the car, start moving on to the LS swap stuff, and making sure that the car has been taken care of as far as metal work, and then we can move on to everything else. But this was just a check to see how we're doing, and I am happy to report that everything looks pretty good. It looks pretty sealed up and dry on the inside. So we'll go ahead and end the video here, and like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, definitely we will be back with more videos with this car as soon as possible. So thanks again for watching. Take care now.